Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 3, the second lesson, Formatting Pivot Table Data. So with the Sales Pivot Table Formatting Workbook open, in the Pivot Table Fields task pane, which is this over here on the right, click the drop down button on the far right side of Sum of Amount Paid in the Values area and click Value Field Settings. So here's the Sum of Amount Paid, Value Field Settings. We're going to click that. Click the number format to open the Format Cells dialog box. So right here, we're going to click that. In the Format Cells dialog box, select Number in the category list. Reduce the decimal places to 0. Clicking that. Use 1000 separator. Click that box to turn that on, and then click OK. And then click OK. The worksheet should now reflect the formatting changes as shown in the following image. So you see that it did this. There's no zeros after periods. There's no, or put the comma separator in. Mark that as answered. Submit. So this completes formatting pivot table data.